Have you heard of Generative AI Blues? Everyone says it's magical, but sometimes it's not true. Imagine you were to create a simple animated video with Generative AI. Do you know which applications to look for? All you need is just 3 magical general AI apps. ChatGPT for animation, Shotcut for video editing, and Canva to enhance with voiceover. Use the ChatGPT OpenAI library as. Navigate to the ChatGPT Explorer option. Choose the animation script builder. Craft a compelling prompt that outlines your storyline. ChatGPT will generate animated images based on the sequence of scenes you request. Next, go to Shotcut, the preferred video editor. Arrange the scenes of animated images as per order of the story. Export as a video with or without audio. Finally, you can use the magical Canva application to get your final animated video. Open a new project, select video. Import the Shotcut video and edit with desired background music, voiceover. Your animated AI video is ready. So you are done with your first animated video generation. Let's take a look at a simple animated video clip that I just created. This animated video is about a small village girl. She pranks on her father.